Welcome back. In this activity, you will learn about financing a car. You'll use a spreadsheet to calculate loan costs and help you make decisions about what kind of loan you can afford. Have you ever seen an advertisement like this?
Bleecker in Red Springs, 100% credit approval, no down payments, and more for your trade than anybody else. Credit worries? At Bleecker, your job is your credit. Want lower payments? Bleecker has specialists on hand to lend you money with little or no money down. Payments as low as $99 per month.
Chances are you probably have. But what does this all mean? Say you're in the market for a new or used car. You find a car you love, but you can't afford to buy it out of pocket. Few people can. In fact, 85% of new and 54% of used cars purchased are financed. Financing means that you borrow money from a lender and pay them back in monthly installments. Not only do you pay back the principal or the amount of money borrowed, you also pay back an additional percentage of that principal to the lender for using their money. This additional percentage is called interest. Different institutions offer different interest rates. You can get car loans from car dealerships, banks, credit unions, online financial service sites, and other financing companies. Several factors determine the auto loan you can get. They can lead to very different payment plans for you, the buyer. The three major factors in financing a car include the amount of money you borrow, the interest rate, also called the annual percentage rate or APR, and the term of the loan, or the time it takes you to pay it off, usually between 3 and 6 years. Your monthly payment varies depending on how you adjust these factors. Sometimes having a lower monthly payment actually means you pay more overall. In this activity, you will create a spreadsheet like this one to help you determine how much money you could afford to borrow when buying a new or used car. It isn't always the best choice to borrow the maximum amount that a lender will loan you. Spreadsheets can help you to determine how much money you could actually afford to borrow. On the spreadsheet, you will select an interest rate or APR and a loan term. Then convert these to monthly amounts. You will also specify a price range for the car you will research. Once you have this basic information, you will calculate and record a table of possible loan amounts, that is, how much money you would consider borrowing to buy a particular car, your monthly payment, total payments, or the total amount you will spend on the car over the entire loan term, and the amount of money you will spend on interest. Once you set up your spreadsheet, you will research new or used cars to get an idea of what they cost. On your spreadsheet, you will calculate monthly payment, total cost, and interest cost for each car you find. After you research car options, you can easily change the rate and loan term in your spreadsheet to compare costs. This will help you determine which car and car loan would work best for you, hypothetically, of course. To begin, go to sheets.google.com/create to start a blank spreadsheet. Name it loan amount chart. Then move on to the next video to start calculating cost. Now it's your turn. Go to sheets.google.com/create to start a blank spreadsheet. Name it loan amount chart. Then move on to the next video.